There are three primary colors, but when you mix them, you create different hues. Take a look at each hue of blue. Even among your family members or your friends, not everyone has the same hue of blue. Wow, take a look at this beach. Is the water blue? Is the water green? I know the sky is blue, but in comparison, is the water the same hue as the sky? What about red lips? Some moms prefer a lighter hue of red, and other moms prefer a darker hue of red. Hue. What's the first sound? Yup, that one again, right in the middle. Number 2, hue. You remember both of them? I am so proud of you. Yeah. U and E. However, we're done with the word. Hue does not have another sound. Sometimes the sound U is spelled with both letters side by side. U-E. One more time. U. Take a look at these paper clips. They're both green, but they're not the same hue. One is lighter and the other one is darker. What about these? Yup, they're blue, but each a different hue of blue. And these look so similar. But just like the lipsticks, each one is a different hue of red. One is darker and the other one is lighter. All right, let's bring your cousins. Today, let's use these paper clips to cover up the part that I want you to remember. You. Hue. Let's sound it out together. You. And that, my friends, is one way of spelling you. U-E. Thanks for watching.